everyone. Today let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. Now, in astrology, Rahu and Ketu are called shadow planets, and the reason is they do not exist physically as planets, but they do have some effect, actually, quite a profound effect on people's life, so they are quite important. Let's try to understand them from astronomical point of view because it would really help you to understand why they have these certain significations and why they are so important in astrology. Now, Rahu and Ketu are two intersection points of Sun's ecliptic plane. What does that mean? So, Sun is also, revolving on a celestial plane with respect to other stars, and this is the ecliptic plane on which Sun is also revolving. All the planets are present in this celestial ecliptic plane. If you have seen astronomy or learned a little bit about solar system, all the planets are on the same plane. They are revolving in their own orbits, but they are in the same plane. So this is called the ecliptic plane. So Rahu and Ketu are the intersection points of Sun's ecliptic plane and Moon's orbit around the Earth. So if you look here on the left side, you see I have tried to make the ecliptic plane and shown Sun above and below, and also Earth above and below this plane. And because the Moon's orbit is also slanted with respect to this ecliptic plane, some of the orbit is above the plane and some of the orbit is below the plane. And Rahu and Ketu are these two intersection points where Moon's orbit and the ecliptic plane intersect. The one that is on the ascending side of the plane is called the Rahu, and the other one is called Ketu. Now in mythology, because Vedic astrologers had to learn all this information, when Moon is passing through these 2 points, so when it passes above Rahu, right, in the same plane, then from Earth, Sun becomes invisible because it's behind Moon, it's covered by Moon. So this is an eclipse. And when Moon passes through the other point, then Earth's shadow causes an eclipse again, right, which is the lunar eclipse. So that is why in mythology there was the story about Rahu, eating away Sun, or Moon eating away Ketu, eating away Moon. So these 2 points are these points. Now, how to understand them from the point of view why they are so important? They are still just points, right? So why are they so important, just like the other planets? You have to think a little bit from the point of view of gravitational pull. Sun is the star, really huge star, which is in the middle of our solar system. And due to its gravitational pull, Earth and other planets are revolving at their orbits, right? Similarly, Moon is orbiting around the Earth in a certain plane because of the gravitational pull of Earth as well as the gravitational pull of Moon. For example, if the pull of Sun would increase any further than what it is right now, then Moon would stop orbiting Earth and would start orbiting Sun, right? Like an independent planet. So this intersection point is actually the energy of the Sun balancing out Earth's energy, right? I'm going to use the word energy because perhaps it's easier to understand. And this balancing out effect, right, is at these 2 points of Rahu and Ketu where this intersection is. So this complex energy somehow is very important. I have read some articles in astrological magazine in a journal which states some kind of contribution of Sun and Rahu's effect. So I think this makes sense. And when you look at these 2 points again, Rahu and Ketu, try to understand them as the energy points where Sun and Earth's energies are getting balanced, right, on the Moon's orbit. It is also known that Moon is most affected by Rahu and Ketu, right? So that makes sense after we understand how they are present in the physical plane. I hope this was clear. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.